It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're gonna check out. We're at the mall, so let's go check out some places, guys. Go check out some places. See if they got some deals, and see if there's anything dope. I don't think there's anything dope that's new. So yeah, but let's look around, you guys. Let's look around. Let's go see what's up at Footlocker, guys. I'm at the mall, so might as well look around. Try to get some info on the winterize. So I'm walking around. Look at this. They got Yeezy just sitting. Yeezy sitting. This is the Yeezreels, the 350 Yeezreels. Got a few sizes of. I think the smallest one is a 9.5. I talked to the worker, 9.5, and they still got them. Released. Did these release a couple days ago? I don't remember. But yeah, but it's taking a few days to sell out. It's really surprising. There's a couple of workers here have them on already too. Not bad. I really never covered this much Adidas, but look, they got the Hardens. These are one of the Harden Volume 3s. These actually aren't bad, you guys. These aren't bad. Not bad at all. It has full length boost. You see the boost goes to the very end and on the back. But yeah, it's kind of flashy. A little bit flashy, but yeah, not bad. Actually pretty dope. I could see a lot of people liking these. Down to 110 though. Down to 110. $30 off. $30 off. That's not bad. One of the few Adidas that actually looks pretty dope. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. Volume 4s kind of go for regular price though, but not terrible. Not terrible. I forgot how much cheaper a lot of the regular Signature shoes are. I'm used to looking at the Jordans and stuff. So yeah, 130. That's still not terrible. Still not terrible if you're an Adidas guy. Not bad. Nothing too crazy in the Jordan section. Nothing too crazy. Surprised seeing these on sale. It's really interesting seeing these on sale. This is the Jordan 13. What do they call these? The mint colorway or something? I forgot. But yeah, got the weird skin. I've seen these a few times, but yeah, never seen it on sale. This is crazy. This literally came out a month ago and they're already on sale. You see, that tells you how well they're selling or how terribly they're selling it. Which is funny because right next door, these have been out here forever. These have been out for what? 4 months? 3 months? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for regular price. It's weird. It's interesting how stuff like that works. This is one of the, I forgot the name of this. It's one of the non-signature shoes, obviously, and kind of has a Westbrook vibe to it, but I know it's not one of the Westbrooks. But yeah, $100. Normally $125, so $25 off. Better than nothing, I guess. What do you guys think about these? This is the latest Foamposite that came out. I really do like these Nike swishes, like all the mini Nike swishes everywhere. Kind of looks dope. And I like that it's kind of subtle, but it's totally there, so you can, pretty dope. Yeah, I like the bottom too. Not like you ever see the bottom unless you're kicking someone in the face, but yeah. I like the bottom. Got the fiber, carbon fiber. Looks really similar to the Bread 13 carbon fiber. Yeah, but yeah. Not bad. $230 going for regular price. These just dropped, so obviously you're not gonna find them on sale, but yeah, dope. Pretty dope. Got the shattered backboard, Foamposites. These came out right before those bad boys. But yeah, these ain't bad. I don't know about paying retail for them because they are $230. Pretty steep. But yeah, I know a lot of people don't like these. I don't know, they're alright. I don't think they're great, but I don't think they're as terrible as people say. Like, I think these are not my style at all. These are going for $230. We've seen these on sale. Seen this at the outlet, man. The Nike outlet. We've seen these for like $100 and change, with like 30% off, like $150 or 30% off, something like that. So yeah, these are pretty mediocre. These have totally been at the outlets all day, guys. I would advise you guys to check the outlets, see if you guys can find one. Because these have been at the outlets all day. And no other new colorways. Kind of same old. Footlocker actually got some Air Max 95s on under $100, man. Never see that. Normally $160, $60 off. You don't see Footlocker have too many really good deals like that. Not too shabby. That's normally more Footlocker's thing is, little sale but nothing crazy. $30 off. Multiple colorway. Got a little bit more of those got a little bit of those moderate sales. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. There's so many kids going bonkers over this 350s going for regular price. Crazy. Never seen so many Yeezy boxes sitting around at Footlocker. Got a bunch of staff. And more. Yeah, I forgot. I just noticed the what the fours, they're gone. They're sold out. What the fours? So one of the primary reasons I came here because I was trying to get some information and try to get some intel regarding the Jordan 4 winterized, and the staff member I was chopping it up with for a minute, he told me he thinks they're gonna sit for a little bit, but they're not gonna sit forever. You know, they are gonna sell out eventually. So I don't know. I wonder if I need to get them tomorrow morning. I don't know. I do have a $140 gift card, so good time to use that. I don't know. But then I'd have to go to the Nike store, which is not close. I don't have a Nike retail store. I have like a bunch of outlets, but I don't have any retail stores. So I don't know. We'll see. Let's go check out Finish Line real quick. All right, so I just walked out of Finish Line, and I didn't film anything there because there really wasn't anything worth filming. Like literally nothing. But yeah, this video is gonna be a little short, but I'll add it on to all my other stuff. I already have a video coming out for tomorrow, so yeah, this will be another video on top of that. But yeah, not much. What do you guys think about the Yeezys? Are Yeezys dead? Are they dead or what? Cause yeah, they're sitting, which I'm not a hype beast, so I'm all good with that. You know, I'm all good with that. I'm just not a fan of the Yeezys, so. But I'm totally okay with. I'm totally okay with sneakers sitting because, you know, not everything needs to get hyped, so it is what it is. But yeah, let me know if you guys think Yeezys are dead or if Yeezys are still popping. I don't know. I think for resale now, the only ones that really make money are the reflectives, which I was lucky to get my hands on. So I'll have a review of that coming up within the next couple days. I'll have a review of that coming up. But yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think. If you like these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you guys press that like button for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, check out all my other videos. See you guys in the next one, you guys. Peace.